Hi friends, today I want to show you some nature's gift that we get free of cost. But these things make us really happy. Happy for our everyday work. So let me show you what are the gift of nature to us. So first of all, if you look here, look at Lavanya. She's reading her book in the sunlight. It's a winter season. It's December. Today is 15th December. So obviously it's very cold here in Patna. You can see she's sitting on her, she's lying in her bed and reading her book in the sunlight. Lavanya, do you want to say hello to everyone?
Yes. Hi everyone. My friends.
All right. So let me show you the other gift. Every morning when I open these curtains and come to the window, I see this beautiful flower. Look at them. How beautiful they are. I come here every morning, open the window and say hello to them. And I feel that they're also saying good morning to me. It makes me feel so good from inside. And on the other side, these are bright and shiny marigold. See how bright they are. Very beautiful. Just uplifts anyone's mood. You cannot feel sad or depressed when you see these beautiful flowers smiling to you and wishes you good morning, as if they are waiting. And this is Malti, which is also called Madhu Malti. These are the climbers, and they have pink and white flowers in them, which is really very beautiful. And it blossoms in the summer season, so you cannot see any of the flowers in it. So this, I feel, is the gift of nature which we get without any condition, and it's so good, precious than anything else. What do you think? I'll see you in the other video. All right, bye. Do you want to say bye, Lavanya, to everybody?
Bye.